Hello, my friends. I hope you hear me. Just waiting for connection. I'm much grateful my Romanian friends that they showed me psalms, because it's a source of support. I think my favorite one is for now Psalm 13. Just matched to my mood. I will read it in Russian. Начальнику хора Псалом Давида 12:2. «Доколе, Господи, будешь забывать меня вконец, доколе будешь скрывать лицо Твое от меня, доколе мне слагать советы в душе моей, скорбь в сердце моем день и ночь, доколе врагу моему возноситься надо мною, презри, услышь меня, Господи Боже мой. Просвети очи мои, да не усну я сном мертвым, смертным. Да не скажет враг мой, я одолел его, да не возрадуются гонители мои, если я поколеблюсь. Я же уповаю на милость Твою, сердце мое возрадуется о спасении Твоем. Воспою Господу облагодетельствовавшему меня». Hello, Donna. I was present at the hearing of Sarah Ruth, and I made some video. Actually, judge who was there, she made only direction hearing. Actually, she is quite a good judge. 1 from 5. There are 4 who hates me, but with this one never get any dealings. Well, actually, I did, because she made one small decision to make my hearing in regards of a synagogue when I asked for it just be very, very quickly, but it was handled by another judge. Anyway, her role in this hearing was quite like sort of intermediate, you see. So main thing will be dealt with other judge, but it was very useful to see a person about the same situation as myself and what she'll be facing. She has only one injunction, and I have 2. So this, I would say, not friendly, but relatively, well, fair judge, she told her that if every accusation will be proven, she is facing top of scale of punishment, 2 years in prison. Sorry, just a second, please. Sorry, something happened. She's facing 2 years. Sorry, now is it all right? Is it all right now? Please tell me. Yes, hi, okay, yeah, it's okay. So, can you hear me now? Please react. Is it all right now? Hello? Donna, could you please type if you hear me or not? Hello? Yes, people can hear, I can see. Okay, thanks. Yeah. Hi, Elena. So, I mean, up to 2 years in prison, if all will be proven. I mean, my single and her defense, a fair defense, will be that we acted and it's in a situation which could justify our action. So, it looks like by their laws, it's not allowed to publish this care proceeding, so it looks like contempt of the court, because we've been injuncted against it. So if you breach this injunction, which is with a penal notice, on a penal notice, which was prominently displayed. Anyway, it's, formalities, but it's very, very clear that it bring custodial sentence. In case of Sarah, they brought this from proceedings which was in 2010, 2011, so 5 years ago. Now they're just because she's it's extremely tragic story, and it's interesting for you to know more about it in a sense that she got 5 children, I think 5. So anyway, 2 were taken. It's a separate story. House taken. Why? It's extremely cruel. Hi, Ludmila. But the issue is, there was an incident when her 11-year-old son, he so longing to come home that he ran to the car and took keys from the car and didn't want to leave car. He ran from contact center, and then police dragged him by force from the center, and he was crying. And after this incident, they stopped any contact between him and mother. So I'm not thinking for a year, she tried legally to get things done. She haven't done it. And situation deteriorated. Oh God, interrupted. Better now. Situation, it will be good when it's will be ended, I think. A situation ended that he does not want to see his mother anymore. Not his father, not mother, not siblings. Have not seen him for 6 years. She doesn't know where he is. He became orphan. That's one of examples of what they can do with children. So she was punished. She didn't want to accept he is in a foster care. Hi, Ivan, hi. Donna, please tell me if you can watch it. But if interruptions, I believe when it will be finished, people will be able to see it all through, I hope. So, for my case, it's all have some connections because they say that because if I do not accept he's in a foster care, I can see him more, you know. So they are saying that he became anxious after he see me, and he tries to undermine foster placement. So I do not help them to brainwash him. That's why they just cut off meetings. So my role is to help them to accommodate him in the foster care. It's too crazy even to talk about that because they invented some rules. And just there is a judgment of context, and there are supposed crazy rules and criteria, and I'm supposed to follow those criteria. And please mind that he does not know judgment. He does not know truth. Well, I hope that he will eventually see this video, or maybe his friends will tell. He does not know judgment. He does not know truth. Why he's in the foster care? So he accepts only what he was told. Can you write to this judge? I mean, who will be? This is a. Please mind, Donna. It's a very important point. This judge Skarat, whom you wrote before, okay, who supported decrease of contacts to up to 4 times. He will be conducting my imprisonment, the same judge. And what he wrote about my supporters, he says that father has to reconsider his behavior, and he put a link between that he doesn't want to accept my son in foster care, and he gets supporters. That's why I'm stripping my son from loving relationships. Can you imagine that? Ask father 2 things. He ensures relations in contact, that he takes on board criticism, does not raise his agenda and protest and contact session, blah, 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 his agenda. So what agenda? I don't want to see in care. It means that I do not accept, excuse me, some program of a communist party or some Nazi party, and that is why I cannot see my son. But if I'll accept what they say, I will not see him anyway, because they will cheat and lie all the time. So, I mean, it's become simply intolerable, you know.